Good day, my name is Tepiso Rekozo Trebis. In this video, I will be presenting my grade 5 geography lessons on the topic weather and climate. The purpose of this lesson is to help learners understand the difference between weather and climate, identify the weather elements and explains how weather affects on our daily lives. To introduce the lesson, I will be asking learners few questions like what is the weather today and what clothes they do wear because of the today's weather. This will encourage learners to think about their own experiences and participate in the discussion. Next, I will show an educational video about weather climates. The video explains the weather conditions of the atmosphere at the particular place and time, while weather is the average weather pattern of the place over many years. This video will also introduce the main weather elements, including temperature, water, wind, clouds, and something like sunshine, which we can call it a sun. After the video, I will explain the concept using some pictures, charts, and PowerPoint presentation. I will compare weather and climate by giving simple examples. For instance, if it is raining today, that is the weather. However, if a place is usually express a hot summers and cool winters every year, that describes its climate. The learners will work in small groups. Each group will receive their cards showing different weather conditions as sunny, raining, windy, and cloud days. They will identify the type of the weather show, discuss how it affects people in their daily activities, and share their answers with the class. This activity and then this will help learners to understand the weather climates. These activities encourage communication, thinking, and teamwork, critical thinking. To assess learners' understanding, they will complete a short worksheet where they will match weather words with pictures and answer simple questions about the difference between weather and the climate. I will move around the classroom, observe and check whether the learners are doing doing their work that they have already given, and support them where it is necessary. At the end of the lesson, we will review the main concept together. I will ask learners questions to check their understanding, such as what is the difference between the weather and climate, and why it is important to know the weather forecast. Learners will explain their answers using examples from everyday's life. By the end of the lesson, learners shall be able to define weather and the climate, identify the main elements of weather, describe how weather influences people's daily activities. This lesson uses teaching method, visuals, resources, group work, and discussion to make learning meaningful and enjoyable, relevant to learners' everyday expresses. Thank you for watching this video. And I do cut.